Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Ever since Nnamdi Kanu's detention and his long stay, because a whole lot of people do not expect him to be staying that long in DSS detention, a lot of prophecies have started going on with the fact that there seems to be a movement going on to push ahead despite his detention. Well, it looks like the man of God is beginning to spell out some information given to him that he feels that all Biafrans, those agitating for Biafra, should know ahead of time so that they don't goof in their movement. Before we go into the newspaper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Was senior pastor of the Redemption Life Fellowship, Abia State Bishop Jude Chineme, has opened up on the revelation he received from God 26 years ago. So it's not a today thing. Concerning Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Bishop Chineme said God told him that Nnamdi Kanu was born to achieve the sovereign state of Biafra. The cleric said that God showed him this about 26 years ago before Raf Wazurike formed the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, Masob, that it was an Igbo man from Umuahia, the Abia state capital, that would lead the old eastern region out of Nigeria. According to his words, I quote him, "People like us don't talk anyhow. We talk when it is necessary. The Biafran agitation is something the Lord revealed to me many years ago, 26, if not 27 years ago. That was on the 4th of September, 1994, he said. This day I was in Drive-In Hotel by Okigwe Road, Aba. In my wedding ceremony, the chairman of the wedding was Dr. Edmond Ezirim, the owner of Blessing Clinic, 97 or 95 Port Harcourt Road, Aba. It was there that the Lord revealed to me the crowd heading to Umaya. When I asked what kind of crowd is this, then the Lord told me that was Biafra restoration. I saw the Biafran flag. I saw the Biafran flag, and God vividly opened and told me that the man that would bring Biafra will come from Umuahia. That was 4th of September 1994. The Lord told me Biafra would not come through Wazurike. So later, Nnamdi Kanu now came up with Biafra agitation, and the Lord told me vividly that Biafra would come through him. According to him, the activities of Nnamdi Kanu and his group was exactly what God revealed to me on the 4th of September 1994. That day was on Sunday, and it rained heavily that day, he said. Bishop Chineme said, for this reason, he never missed to join in any prayer for the actualization of Biafra, because he knows that God had already revealed to him, and the words of the Lord must surely come to pass, whether people pray or not. This is what Nnamdi Kanu was born for. God sent him into this planet Earth for that purpose. So whether by prayer or not by prayer, it must surely come to pass, he added. Nnamdi Kanu is currently cooling off in detention at the Department of State Services (DSS) headquarters in Abuja after he was arrested in Kenya, East Africa, and bundled to Nigeria. The indigenous people of Biafran leader who escaped, I said that again. The indigenous people of Biafran leader who left Nigeria in 2017 and settled in the United Kingdom after security agencies invaded his Afaruku home in Umuahia was brought back from Kenya through other means, although the Nigerian government has up till now not revealed how and where the indigenous people of Biafra leader was intercepted and brought back to Nigeria. Reports suggest that he was arrested with the help of Kenyan authorities, who detained him before handing him over to Nigerian authorities. He has also been arraigned before Justice Binta Nyako of Federal High Court in Abuja, which ordered that the IPOB leader be remanded at the DSS custody till when he will reappear in court again. Meanwhile, the indigenous people of Biafran leader had narrated to his lawyer how he was beaten mercilessly, tortured, and left unconscious by Kenyan authorities before being handed over to the Nigerian government. However, his trial has been going on for the past 9 months, and since then he has been in the custody of the Department of State Services (DSS). Now, you now understand exactly what is going on. Now, this is a clear indication that there's something about Nnamdi Kanu. So those who are saying we move, those who have been saying that Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, may not be in the right frame of mind, maybe there's a purpose for this. This was revealed to him according to the man of God. He said it was revealed to him so many years ago, 26 to 27 years ago, and everything is playing out just the way it's playing out. Say whether you like, you pray. If you don't like, you don't pray. That revelation of God, if he has made up his mind that Biafra will be achieved, that even before Nnamdi came into the scene, that the Lord told him that was even before, I think about the same time that Wazuruke was forming the Biafra mass movement, still for the same Biafra agitation and actualization. He said, no, that is not going to come through any other man other than somebody from Umuahia. So Abia State. Afaruku is in Abia State. Now, except of course, there's another person that will come from that place, and there's an Abia man. Maybe you could mistake him for that, but I don't think there's any other person again. For Simon Ekpa, he's from Ebonyi State, and according to the leader of the spirits, based on what Pastor Chineme said, it is not somebody from Imo State. It's not somebody from Ebonyi State. It's never somebody from Anambra State. It's not somebody from Enugu State. It's somebody from Abia. And the only person that has been a prominent voice in the Biafra movement, such that there's a crowd that follows him. Sometimes you begin to wonder, is there something to this crowd? How is he even able to get a crowd? This one is not a crowd that is being bribed to appear just because it's coming. It's a crowd that willingly appears. Look at how super excited the likes of Nollywood star, this Nollywood star, Chinwetalago, when he was brought in DSS detention. For that brief moment, he was wearing Biafran flag as a dress. He said that he was so super excited that he was just contented and happy that just above him is the great Nnamdi Kanu. I'm quoting his words. Just above him is Nnamdi Kanu. He said he was so happy that how he wish he could just look at him and touch him. Look at how, despite the fact that Chiwetalago is a celebrity, a superstar in his own grade and level, you still see him giving reference and accolade to Nnamdi Kanu. You may not look like the person. Honestly, Nnamdi Kanu may not even be, but one thing is certain. The fact that there may have been a call upon his life, whatever he does may just work. Not because he wants it for himself, just maybe there's some spiritual connotations to his movement. It's not little wonder how easily people get wrapped up with him. Whatever he says seems to be law. I don't know how it is being done. Even Nasaru Dokubo till today is still shocked. Now you know that the man of God have gone to the realms of the spirit even 6 years ago, and the Lord has revealed to him that Nnamdi Kanu is the only person that can actualize Biafra. So those who say we move, is up to you. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on this new revelation that Nnamdi Kanu is the only one who can liberate Biafra?